Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy AM coming to you with an unboxing video. Today's video is actually pretty cool. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be opening up this Satechi hub for the Mac Mini. You saw us pick it up in the last video. Well, this is the perfect accessory for it. Stay tuned as we unbox this sexy little hub. You can plug stuff into it. See you in a bit. We got our handy dandy knife to open up anything that stands in our way, especially unboxing stuff. What we have here is the Satechi hub. It's a cool little addition that you add on to your Mac Mini. This comes in silver to match the design of my Mac Mini. It's an aluminum stand, which is really nice. Same materials that the Mac Mini is made out of. What we have here is we have a bunch of I/O in the front. We got card reader, we got a headphone jack, and we have 3 USBs A and then a USB-C, and the USB-C connects in the back. I believe it also has power from the device, which is the Mac Mini, that powers all the way into the USB-C ports. Here's the back of the box. We have what it looks like when it's all set up. Looking so nice, so fresh, so clean. We have some more specs about what's in it. Slim design, has Type C port, 3 Type A ports. I believe those may be 3.0s. Has a micro SD card reader as well as a full-size one, and then you have the audio jack so you can plug it up in the front, which is originally pretty cool. So the box just says Satechi on it, and then the bottom of it just has your like FCC guidelines, Satechi on the side. So we're just gonna crack this open and check it out. Ooh. We cut the little thing on the side open. Oh, some more. Oh, there's a whole bunch of stuff over here. Okay. Oh, so it's the bottom of the box is where we gotta do it. It's glued up on the top. Okay, we'll cut that out. Pop this tab. Come on, pop. Oh my gosh, we can't even pop it. There it goes. And then we just pop it open like this and then pull it all the way out. Ooh, it's in a nice little black case. Look at that. And then we have the front of the box. Cool little pull tab right there to pull it off. A little plastic film. Pretty cool. Actually, that's making a lot of noise. I probably shouldn't have done that. And we'll pull out the hub. Oh my gosh, I can't pull it out for whatever reason. There we go. Okay. We have instructions here. As always, we are gamers, tech enthusiasts, all around geniuses, so we don't really need to read the instructions. The packaging is pretty simple, which is pretty nice. But the main reason why you pick this up is for this aluminum little base, as well as the USB-C. So you plug this into your Mac Mini as such, and it sits on the top of this, and then you have the I/O ports there. The reason why you get this type of hub instead of like a normal one that just plugs right into the USB-C and it has like all the little adapters, like those little small square ones, is that this is just aesthetically more pleasing. And it gives a little bit more height to the Mac Mini, but the Mac Mini is pretty small. It's probably like that thick, so adding it all together, it's not a big footprint. What they should do in the future is make it smaller, because the new Mac Minis have the M1 chip in it, and so those things don't require a lot of cooling in order to make it really power efficient, as well as more powerful. So they should just really just make it even more smaller, make it the size probably of an Apple TV, which is like that big. But they kept the same size of the Mac Mini as like the old ones did, because it's just easier to manufacture because it's already ready to go. And then, but the chip in it is probably pretty small. It's probably like that big. And so in the future iterations of the Mac Minis, I think they're going to make it even smaller. And when that happens, Satechi will probably make another base like this, but tinier. What's pretty cool about this, there's like little air vents on the side. They keep it nice and cool so it doesn't overheat. The bottom of it is plastic, has little rubber feet, which is nice. Airflow through the bottom of that, as well as the little metal frames on the side, which is pretty nice to touch. The main part of it is that because Mac products usually have the IOs in really awkward positions, especially like on their mice. Also on their laptops, they don't have like card readers and as such. So you have to always get a hub with the Mac products, which is kind of terrible. You should at least put like at least one USB and one card reader on their devices, but they go for a more aesthetic, clean look. And so what this does is it enables you to plug it in the front instead of in the back. Yeah, it's a pretty simple little hub. I mean, it's nothing too much to look at. When it's all together, it should be pretty nice. It'll be pretty cool to look at. I'm pretty excited to add this to my Mac Mini. Other than that, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you love it, hit the subscribe button, and just let us know in the comments what you think about this unboxing and what other accessories should I get for the Mac Mini. Other than that, we give you a big fat piece.